Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title above, we're going to remake over this front porch. With all the weather that we've had, I get a lot of wind up here. The front porch was so neglected. It had all kinds of, just the normal stuff. Chairs just needed to be swept down and toys. So we're just going to revamp the front porch, add some flowers, and redecorate. And I hope you guys stay along with the journey. I'm going to walk you through the process. If you're new here, please subscribe. It helps my channel out so much. And if you're a returning visitor, thank you for watching and being a supporter. I hope that you guys enjoy these videos and find some ideas for yourself. I try to do budget-friendly stuff. So, yeah, I hope you guys stay along for the journey. Okay guys, so now that I've got all of the animals fed, chickens, horses, did y'all see those Easter eggs in my older horse's trough? I had to pull those out. But I'm going to start by refilling my hummingbird feeder. I think this feeder is so cute. It's in the shape of a whiskey bottle. I'm going to link it in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing one. I always use clear hummingbird feed because I just think it is a whole lot better on the wildlife's stomach. I don't really like the colored kind. But yeah, we're going to get this refilled and then we're going to start on cleaning the front porch. Okay, so now that I'm done planting all of those, if you see me pick some of those flowers off, it's because they were dead or wilting. And you can do that with these flowers and it'll promote more growth on top of the flower as they mature. So moving on to the next. I'm getting ready to roll this rug out. I ended up getting one offline because Hobby Lobby didn't have the exact rug that I needed. But look how pretty blue it is. It's upside down. I'm getting ready to turn it over. And then we're going to do a quick sweep down, and I'm going to take these pots that I bought from Lowe's, but I actually found them cheaper on Amazon, and I'm going to link those below. I turn them upside down and use them as a stool, and then as my flowers change, I might put some trees or something in here. But I just wanted a pretty stand to put my wooden flowers on because I love those little wooden baskets. They're super inexpensive and I bought them last year. And I think this looks really good together. And here is the finished look. This is a very small porch, but I think it turned out super cute for this little tiny area. The 2 rocking chairs and that little pink chair on the corner is my daughter's. And the little tub that you see is all of the outdoor toys that I keep for my toddler outside. I'll forever keep that there. If you've seen the reef on here, I actually made that. It is a rope reef. I just added some flowers to it and added it to the door as decor. And I think it turned out super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. This is the end of the vlog. I just thought I'd share with you guys my revamp of my front porch. It needed a little bit of cleaning, so I cleaned it up. I got this rug, and I took these planters and turned them upside down and then put my wooden ones, my pretty decorative wooden ones on top of that. But I think it turned out so cute. And I hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.